Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we discuss companies that are reshaping our world. Today, we're talking about a giant in the cybersecurity space, and that company is CrowdStrike. There's a chance it could reach $1 trillion valuation by the year 2040, and that's exactly what we're looking at today. Is what scenario, what world is that possible? We're going to explain it all in this video and tell you what the chances are. So CrowdStrike is known for their innovative approach in the cybersecurity space. And the company made a striking entry, no pun intended, to the public market in June 2019. They launched at $34 per share, and they were valued at $6.7 billion. Since then, since 2019, they have soared to $300 per share, and the market cap right now is $70 billion. And I think an important question is why CrowdStrike? There's a lot of different cybersecurity companies out there. What gave CrowdStrike that extra fuel to bring it to the level it is today? What makes CrowdStrike unique? And really the answer is their cloud native services, which disrupt traditional cybersecurity models. They offer sticky subscriptions. They eliminate the need for on-site appliances. From 2020 to 2023, their annual revenue has skyrocketed with a CAGR of 67%. Their subscription customer base expanded from 5,400 subscribers to 23,000 subscribers today. But really, I know you came to the video for the $1 trillion question. Can CrowdStrike continue in this explosive growth? So already a success story, but should we buy in today? Should we add stock to our portfolio? Where is the company going in the next few years? Can it become a $1 trillion company by 2040? Well, let's look at what the analysts are predicting. Analysts are predicting a revenue rise of 36% this year. And then there's going to be probably a gradual decrease in growth rate in the following years. This is a sign of maturation. It's a normal thing with companies. After explosive growth, there's a time when they plateau. And also it's a sign of increasing competition in the cybersecurity arena. And when we're talking about competition, we're talking about some big names. Some names like Palo Alto Networks, Microsoft, Cisco, SentinelOne. These are just some of the names that are putting a lot of heat on CrowdStrike. All these companies are expanding their cloud security offerings. But I do have to say, despite the competition, the company may still grow, and it's because of two big things. First of all, they have a unique position in cloud endpoint security, and the other thing is they have an aggressive expansion strategy in the cybersecurity space. So most likely growth will slow over time, even though they are just blowing up right now. So let me give you some scenarios. Let me show you how possible it is for them to get to $1 trillion. If CrowdStrike can maintain a CAGR of 20% until 2040, that's what it has to do, then they'll have an annual revenue of $50 billion in the year 2040. If they can maintain that CAGR, 20%, that would put their market cap at $1 trillion if the stocks keep trading at 20 times sales. So that's your number to look at, guys. 20% CAGR over until 2040. If they can do that, they can hit $1 trillion. But here's a more conservative scenario, maybe a more likely scenario, and that would be a 15% CAGR, which would see a market cap closer to $240 billion, or about $250 billion, which is still incredible, massive growth, and is still a reason probably to buy some stock today. But I do want to say that we should look beyond their valuation, because valuation isn't everything. We can't focus only on valuation, or we'll miss the broader picture. So here's a broader picture. They have a growing customer base, and the customer base is deepening their engagement with CrowdStrike's ecosystem, and this shows its market strength. There's a significant portion of customers that are using multiple modules now. The company has sustained profitability, and all of this shows that CrowdStrike's fundamentals are robust. So CrowdStrike very well could hit $1 trillion by 2040. But their real value is in their innovative approach. It's in their solid growth fundamentals. And I have to say, as a long-term investor myself, this company offers a promising opportunity. And I mean, albeit it does have its share of challenges and competition, there's all of that as well. But it's a great company. Now, I do have to say, I haven't personally added CrowdStrike to my portfolio yet. I buy a stock every Tuesday along and with posting a video here on this channel on what stock I'm purchasing that week. So tune back in on Tuesday if you want to know what stock I'm buying this week. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It really does help the algorithm. Share the video, subscribe for more stock insights. We'd love to have you as part of the community. Until next time, guys, keep an eye on the market and on your investments, and keep them secure with smart choices like CrowdStrike.